How to use Instagram tagged photos feature. To use the Instagram's tagged photos feature, first of all, go ahead and launch the Instagram application on your device. Tap on the plus icon on the top left corner of your screen. Then, once you're here within the new post section, you can simply tap on this camera icon to record a new photo or videos, or simply select one from your gallery. Then tap next on the top right corner. Now, once you go through all of these editing options, tap next and scroll down and you will find tag people option. Go ahead and tap on this. From here, you simply have to tap on this image or the post of yours, then search for a specific user that you want to tag. Once you find them, you simply have to tap on their profile name or their profile picture, then tap tick mark on the top right corner. Once the person is tagged, you simply have to tap share on the bottom, and this is how you can tag any people on your photos. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.